Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullu in the kitchen. Today now I am making an easy method of immunity booster in your homemade recipe. Eggshells powder. It's a calcium powder. You can make with eggshells. Take the eggshells. How much you can earn. It's lots of benefits with this. Now I will explain. Total 90% of calcium is available in eggshells. I have a lots of business with this. You can check it in internet also about eggshells powder, and you can sell it the product in online with the help of e-commerce. Take then one register e-commerce account and one GST number. You can sell it online directly with the percentage. And homemade and handmade eggshells powder have lots of value when compared to the machines. Lots of pharma companies and medical representative places, they can asking an eggshell powder for calcium tablets, and you can think it's a 90% of calcium powder means how much helpful to us. Boiled eggs is okay to eat. Then how to eat eggshells? Don't worry, I will tell the total description about the eggshells powder. Follow with me. For making calcium powder, only eggshells is enough, and check the equipments what I am using for making. See, eggshells and plate and water for washing the eggshells. Then strain it and keep it for dry roast. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First of all, take the vessel and collect the eggshells. Wash it nicely until smells gone. Non-veg smell. Clean it nicely. Then strain it. Take the strainer and add washed eggs into the strainer. Let dry it for 10 minutes. You can keep it for dry roast. After straining, take the eggshells into the plate. You can use for plantations to grow plants easily. It's a calcium powder, so with the help of calcium you can grow the plants. Then crush it. Crush into like this. There are two types of roasting. You can roast the eggshells in kadai, and you can roast in oven also. Now I am roasting the eggshells in oven. Let's. Eggshells is crushed, and you can use for face pack powder, and you can drink as a 1 spoon for daily purpose. For the immunity power. Now I am keeping into the oven for 15 minutes on 150 to 180 degrees Celsius. Preheat and use it the oven. Let's check it for after 15 minutes for 180 degrees Celsius. Preheat. You can see brown color and roast it for again 5 minutes. Finally, you can see the roasted eggshells. Golden brown color. I baked it into the golden brown color little bit. Then make it a grind eggshells into the grinder and make a fine powder. I roasted and making a fine powder. Let's see. And make a little bit, not coarse powder. It gets in aroma also. Next, take into the airtight container. If you want, you can sieve the flour, very dusty flour. 1 tablespoon I am using, and don't overdose it. Mix into the milk. You can drink or you can eat it in curries and food. It's not in tasty, but I am getting little bit of crunchy eggshells, and it's very healthy for immunity booster. Thanks for watching.